and you don't have to sharpen it very often. Hey guys, Brad here, and today's review is going to be on pencils. This in particular is the one in my bib. It's the PICA, as I think is how you say it, and I just got this about 2 weeks ago, PICA Dry. This pencil, you know, I've been watching guys on YouTube and Instagram with these pencils, and as you probably have seen, I'm a Halteforce guy, so I thought I'd give this pencil a try. Now, it's a little, well, I'm not going to do a comparison, but I'm just going to talk about the pencil, I guess. It's a mechanical pencil, all right? So the leads are right here, and they say you should load the lead from the back when you're loading this. There's no eraser on it. It's very light. It fits well in my hand. The sharpener is on the bottom, so when you want to sharpen, just extend the lead out a bit. And you just give it a twist. And now it's sharp. Tap that off. And there we go. One thing I love about this pencil is that I always carry it in my bib. And so if I just drop it in here, it's pretty much locked in. It will not fall out. And it takes very little effort to pull it out. See, I can just push it in there and it doesn't want to come out. Now, when you want to get it in all the way, just push it down and it really won't come out. There's no locking mechanism. There's no, left or right. It's a round pencil. So it goes in very, very easily. And you don't even need to think, basically, when you're putting it back in the sheath. The clip itself has two little nubs which kind of lock themselves into your clothing, which I really, really like. And overall, I'm just really enjoying this pencil. It's just very easy to use. It fits well in my hand. I have nothing bad to say about this pencil at all. Yeah, it does write when it's wet, which is really nice. And it's a hard lead. It's not soft, like it's not going to break. And you can just, write, scribble, whatever. And you don't have to sharpen it very often. I'll just keep, see, it wears really nicely. It's quite a hard lead. So I'm really liking it. I don't know if I'll even ever go back to carpenter's pencils. Like these things are just the best. In school when I was a kid, I just had a real love affair with mechanical pencils, especially the ones that had the little button down on the front. And yeah, I've just really, really enjoyed mechanical pencils. And as soon as I got back into these, the Halteforce was my first one, and now this, and I'm grabbing this pencil, I think, a little bit more often than the Halteforce so far, but I've just been giving it a run through for the past couple of weeks. And yeah, I really like it. The only thing I have noticed is when I wear my seat belt in my truck, if I'm in a real hurry and I flick it off, I've had it catch here and pull this right out. And a couple of days ago, I lost this. It flicked it out of my window onto the job site, and later I went to grab my pencil and it wasn't there, and one of my helpers found it, and yeah, so that wasn't too cool, because this pencil I think was like 25 bucks Canadian. All right, so I can't afford to be flicking pencils out my car windows every day. It's just not good. So otherwise, I mean, it really does hold in there quite well. I think it was just a random fluke. But saying that, yesterday too, when I was driving home, I had a Sharpie right here, and I took my seatbelt off as I was driving. It caught my Sharpie, flicked that out the window as I was driving, pulling up to my house. So yeah, that's out on the street. So yeah, it's just something that happens in my truck. I don't know. But other than that, I love this pencil. I highly recommend it. You will not regret buying this pencil. And yeah, if you guys have any questions or comments, just leave them down below. And I'd love to hear what pencils you guys like. Do you prefer Hull Force, PICA, or is there another brand out there I don't know about? Yeah, they're just really cool to have. So please leave some comments down below. Subscribe, hit that notify bell, thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. Till next time, keep on crushing it. We'll catch you later.